Nigerian pap, very hygienic, homemade, very easy to make, easy peasy. In 1 hour you're done, you're through with making this pap, and it's rich for babies, for adults. It's not only for babies, it's rich for babies, for adults, even for the growing up kids that don't take golden morn or Cerelac anymore. Is rich for them, is rich for adults, is fiber filled, that it doesn't have anything to do with digestion issue. And for babies that have gotten to the age of formula feeding, it's also good for them. And I'm bringing you just 4 good recipes of 4 ingredients of this homemade rich Nigerian pap. It's not only for Nigerians, but it's just our thing in this part of the world, so we like to use it. Today is your first time of watching me. Hey, thank you for stopping by. Thank you. And for my old subscribers, I cross my heart for you guys. You guys are the bomb. My heart is crossed for you. I love you guys. I love you for subscribing. I love you for watching today. Please give it a thumbs up and try this. You will not regret it. These are the 4 ingredients needed. This is your yellow corn. This yellow corn is good for the eyes. And this is the guinea corn. It's very rich in vitamins and mineral, lots of it. And this is the ginger. It's optional though, but ginger helps to fight infection and also helps in boosting immune system. And then this is your millet. Millet is so good, you know, it's filled with fiber and helps the digestion, free of gluten. For constipation, it's good. So these are the 4 ingredients needed. Remember, I said this is optional, but it's good. So these are the 4 ingredients needed. I'm going to go run water into this bowl, and I will soak these ingredients for 3 days. Some people do soak this for day 1, then add this other 2 ingredients to it, you know, to make it 3 days soaking. But I've tried the both. Any which one, either you soak this one first for 1 day, then you add this the 2nd day, the 3rd day you go grind, or you soak all together. I'm soaking all together. I've tried the both one, but this is easier. You just soak together and 3 days later you go and grind. It's easy. It's all the same thing. So I'm running water into this and pouring this into it. I'm sorry, I'm not using my tripod stand. Let me make it. So running the water. We soak it for, oh, this looks beautiful, colorful, you know. Please remember to pick off the dirt in your yellow corn. Most of the time it's always filled with stones. I know how the quantity of stones that are selected out of it, so it's good to select it. This millet and the guinea corn, they are not always filled with dirt, but the corn is mostly filled with dirt and big stones, so try to select them. So now I'm going to soak it, I'm going to cover it and then leave it for 3 days, and the day 3 I'll go and grind it. So guys, let's go grind this corn. Hello guys, so see the pap, see it's grinded. The 3 things we'll be needing is water, your sieve, either this one or this one, but I'm going to be using this one so that for people that don't have this cloth one, you don't think you can't achieve a better sieving. So I'm going to use this one, then a bowl. Do you get? So now we'll take our pap. Hope you can see. Please just bear with me. So when you pour, get your water ready. Put a little at a time. That's what you'll be doing. the water will enable the sieving, and you will see the chaff. But please, when you're using this particular sieve, get the one that has doubled net. The net is doubled. This is the last one. What you do now is to allow this water, this pap water, to settle for about 4 to 6 hours. You get? So water to settle for 4 to 6 hours. After that, you sieve off or sieve out this particular water, then you see the pap. Now this, as you're allowing it to, is settling down for that 4 to 6 hours. The down, you have the pap there, the up you have the water, then you sieve off the water. You can now refrigerate it, or you add water and leave it for those that don't have fridge. I had to turn it into this bowl, into this rubber, because it's too full. So look at the chaff. It's too full. So this is the chaff that came out from it. Hey guys, so our pap is ready. But the truth is that I had to leave this pap all through the night because I want the water to really settle down very well. So you see the pap is ready. I wanted the water to settle down. Look at it. Whoa, this is beautiful. So it's ready for me to make it. Let's see that. You know, the more it stays, with time it will be thicker than this also. But believe me, this is so rich. And you're sure of the making, the hygiene. So I'm going to go make this one now. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.